Hi all. I just thought I'd do a quick video on these shoes. I just had the soles done, and I just wanted to show you how good of a job he did. You can see it's nice, flat, perfect. Couldn't get any better than that. I think when I originally got them years ago, they were all leather soles, and then I had another fella about 10 years ago put on rubber soles, and they had all worn down, so I had them done again. So they got new heels, they got new soles, and then he polished them and buffed them for free. Which I suppose after you do all that work, you know, they have to be polished up and buffed. So I just wanted to show you how good a job he does, in case you're thinking about bringing some shoes there. I've had quite a few shoes done over the years, and you can't get any better than that. That's a really good job. See, you can see it's perfect along here. There's no gaps or nothing. So I don't know nothing about shoe repair, so I don't even know how to talk about it, but it looks good to me. Reason why you get rid of the leather soles is because they're really slippery. The first time I had the rubber put on them, the shoe guy thought I was crazy. You know, it's like, why would you want to put these rubber soles on these expensive shoes? Well, because I don't want to fall down. Okay. You know, if I would have thought of it before I brought them in, I would have asked him to lift them up a little bit too, because I'm kind of short. So he could have made them a little bigger.
You want to tell them where the guy works?
It's Gomez Shoe Repair in Mentor, Ohio. Right there on Route 20, across the street from the mall. Almost across the street from the mall, just a little west on 20 in one of the plazas. He's got big neon signs out front. You can't miss the place. There's his card. I know I looked for a place to bring these for a year or so, because it's kind of hard to find a good shoe repair place. You know, you don't know if you're getting some guy that's new at it or what. Okay, see ya.